Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I create the threshold effect for my brutalism designs. So if you ever seen a design like this or a design like this and you're wondering how it was created, what effect they used, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved it in a very short period of time. But before we get started, I'd like you to like this video, comment, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Without talking too much, let's get right into the video. So I'm just going to create a new file, and I'm going to use the YouTube thumbnail size, which is 1920 by 1080p, resolution 72. We'll create. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in the image we're going to use. Alright, so let's use this image. Alright, let's scale it up. Alright, so this is the image I'm going to use. And by the way, if you want this image, I'm going to link it in the description box below. I generated it using ImageFX, so I'm just going to link up the images. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you click on the image and you go down here to your adjustment tab and you're going to click on threshold. Alright, and just like that you're going to have this effect, but if you look closely you see that there's not really a lot of details. So what we do to fix that is you click on the original image you're trying to transform and you make sure it's a smart object. So mine is a smart object, and then you go up to filter and you choose noise and then you click on add noise, and just like that more detail has been added to the picture. So the noise I'm going for is 34. Alright, and just like that you've created the threshold effect. And with this little trick you can see how easy it was. You can begin to create your brutalism posters. Alright, so I hope you learned something new. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and I'll see you in the next one. And in case you're looking for more tutorials, you can just click on the videos that appear on the screen. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice one.